How to create custom location on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process of how you can do so. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Instagram app from your device. Also make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now go ahead and tap onto the plus icon at the middle section. Then from the list below, choose any photos that you would like to add as a post. Here tap onto next again and write in any caption that you would like. Scroll below and you will see add location. Tap onto it. At this page, tap on turn on location services. It will turn on your location from your device so that Instagram can locate your accurate location. And tap on continue. As you turn on your location, Instagram will locate all the places near you. And in case you could not find your location, you can also go ahead and search it. To do that, tap on search icon. Here, if you see your specific location, tap onto it and tap on share. Refresh your page, and as you do so, you will see your specific location just below your name. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more helpful contents like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.